Hello, math class. Miss Warzeka here. Today I'm going to show you what activities you are going to work on today, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So here's kind of what it will look like. You have an order here that has been given. So this order is Jim orders 3 pounds of pork roast, 1 pound of bone-in ham, and 1 pound of small shrimp pound of small shell on shrimp. So what you're going to do is you're going to use this blue circle and you are going to circle the order on the menu. So I'm going to circle the pork roast because Jim orders 3 pounds of that. He orders 1 pound of the bone-in ham and 1 pound of the small shell on shrimp. Okay, so then what I'm going to do is which item he ordered 3 pounds on was the pork roast, which is $8.75. So you fill that in, $8.75, and then you are going to multiply that. Use a calculator, a phone, or a different screen or a tab on a computer. That works too. Whatever you wish to do. I used my phone to multiply it out, and the total is $26.25. Okay, so you're going to do this for the next 2 items as well. Then you're going to click to the next slide, next activity. Your totals that you have should all be in there. And then you're going to go through, you're getting lots of practice at this page, creating the subtotal, multiplying for tax, and then adding the subtotal and the tax together to get the complete total. So you're going to do that for 3 problems on Tuesday and 3 problems on Wednesday. I'm sorry, not problems, orders. As if you were working at the meat and seafood market. All right, have fun.